Hi, my name is John, and in this video we will explore everything you need to know about the query loop of Bricks Builder through 7 practical exercises I got to you to understand this powerful tool. Okay, I will show you how to use query loop in tabs, accordions, subcategories, related posts, future products, and the up sales and cross sales. Okay, get started. For this, okay, this is the first example of the query loop. This is a tab. Okay, this is a tab for the stable tab. In the stable tab, you have the tab menu, the title, and the basic text. Okay, you only need one element in the tab. Okay, this is the tab stable for default, and you can see that this is the tab menu and this is the tab content. On the tab menu you can see that this is the default for bricks, and this is the title. Okay, on the title go to the query loop. Okay, this is the query loop. It's very important that you use one container. Okay, one container you can use for example one block or one div or one container or one section. It's very important that you use these elements. Okay, click on the title. You can go to the query, click on query, and you can see that this is the type. You need to select terms, in this case product category, but you can select post. Okay, category post for the post of your website, or you can select custom taxonomy. Okay, in this case, in this example, we will use category products. Okay, select this, and this is the all. Okay, in the title, okay, only select the text, and the text you need to set the term name. In the term name, okay, you can click on this icon. Okay, select dynamic data, and you can search, okay, term name, and click on term name. Okay, this is all, and you can see that the different categories, okay, the title will appear. Now in the tab content, this is the most difficult part for this tab. Okay, in this pane, okay, click on the pane and click here, and now click on the query. Okay, on query is the same way. Okay, product category, terms, and this is all. Okay, but in the block, okay, this is the block for the pane. Okay, you need add a block, and into the block set the rich text. Okay, or text or simple text, or okay, only one text. In this case, you need click on the block. In this block, for into the pane, click and go to the query. In the query, you need select products. Okay, and on taxonomy query is very important that you select, okay, product categories. If you are using a product post category, you need select a category post or the custom taxonomy that you use. Okay, this taxonomy is the same that you use in the main query loop. Okay, this is the main query loop. This is the product category, is the same in this query loop. Okay, product category, and the term ID. Okay, this is the field term ID. You need select term ID, and the terms. Okay, click on term ID. You can search, okay, term ID, and select this. Okay, only you need this. Okay, this is all. In the text you need set the post type. Now you have in this okay, you can add post text, you can add the future image. For example, set one image here, okay, and the image you can set the dynamic data, and you can set the future image, for example. Okay, this is all, and for this you can save, and now you can see that work in the tabs. This is the product name and the product future image. You can you made your design, okay, but this is the example. Okay, this work, and this is the way to use a query loop in the tabs. Now we will show how to use the query loop in Accordion. I will delete this. Okay, now in this accordion, okay, is very easy for the accordion. Okay, this is the accordion, this is the item. The accordion only have one item. In this item you need set the query loop. Okay, click on the item and go to the query loop, and remember, in this case we use product categories, but you can change this for categories or your custom taxonomy. And this is all. And for the title you don't need those, only you can set in the heading. Okay, this is the title for the accordion, and this is the heading, and on the heading you can search term name. Okay, term name, you can click here, term name. And now in the content, okay, in the content you need add a query loop in this content. Okay, remember, this is the main query loop, and this is the query loop inside the item query loop. Okay, click on the content. On the content, enable the query loop, and this you can select this post and product, and product taxonomy query you need select product categories. Okay, remember, if you use a post, select post categories or your custom taxonomy. Very, very important, term ID, and select search here term ID. Okay, this is the way. Okay, now you can save, and this is the result for you can see that is the category. Okay, the products in the category. Okay, you can see that this is the category name and the product name. Okay, remember, you can add a product price, excerpt, and the future image. Okay, all you need in the content. Now we will see how to set category and subcategories in one accordion. For example, this is a term name. Okay, this is the accordion. Remember, item, this is the main query loop, and in the content is the query loop inside the main query loop. In this case, item, okay, remember, is the same way. Okay, product categories, and from here now you can exclude in this case uncategorize it, because we don't interest that this category this category appear in the shop. You can change the number of items to appear, and this is all. Okay, it's very easy. Term and product categories. Now this is the part, okay, the most complicated part for the users. Click on the content, and this is the rich text. Okay, remember that heading is the same way, okay, the term name, and on the content is the most complicated part. And click on the query loop, and this is the product categories, okay, the same taxonomy, the same term. And the parent, you need set a term ID. Okay, you can search, okay, for example, term ID. You need set this term ID for the parent, and now this show the subcategories. Okay, this is all. For example, save and reload here, and you can see that, for example, decoration, this is the subcategory. Okay, this is the category 2. Okay, you can see that now you can see categories and subcategories on Accordion. Remember, you can click on this rich text and set that okay, the type. Okay, I'm sorry, for example, in this case we need use one basic text. Okay, and select term name and link. Okay, this is a dynamic data, and this is the term URL. Okay, this in this case save, and now in this case reload, and now you can see that we can go to the subcategory. This is the way for this. You can add the term image and add more elements in this query loop. Okay, if you need in this case the into the accordion, you can show one subcategory. Okay, a 3-level category. For example, you need if you need a 3-level category, you can use accordion. Okay, for example, this is an example. I duplicate this content, I set this in the content, for example, and this is for the subcategory, and you can go change this, for example, to rem. Don't forget use classes to work. This is only one example. Save, and you can see now that this is the main category. Okay, subcategory and subcategory. Okay, this is the way to add subcategory. But if you set this item into the accordion, okay, save and reload, okay, this don't work. Okay, remember, if you need a subcategory, you can use one accordion. Okay, this is all for the accordions tabs, and now I will show you how to use the query loop in single products, for example. Okay, this is for the future products. This is a block, and this is a title, and this is the container with one grid. Okay, click on the block. Remember, use a block or div or container for the query loop. Okay, click on the block, And in this case, we need select post. Okay, the product are post. Okay, this post. In this case, post will be product. Okay, and now in product visibility, click on the product visibility. Okay, taxonomy, product visibility, file name, and set featured. Okay, it's very important. Set this value, and now you can see that in the products. Okay, you can see that for example, this is one product. We can go to the products. For example, this is the, we check this start, this is the featured, and for example, okay, view, we can view this. Okay, with this product we can make the exercise. You can see that this is the featured products. I can add this and I can add this. I will change the background that you can see the change. Okay, this is for the future product. Okay, and here reload, and now you can see that add two products. Okay, for this, if I delete this, for example, the two, okay, okay, reload. Now you can see that this only get the future products. This is very easy. On the single product, this is the block for related products. Okay, or you can use this for related posts, and you use your custom post type. Okay, remember, click here, go to the query loop and select post. In this case, you can set product, and now in taxonomy query you need select, okay, product categories, in this case product categories, but if you use post you need select category post or your custom taxonomy. Okay, and now in the field select name, and it's very important that you select post term name product category. Okay, in this case this is product categories. Okay, click here, product categories. I will delete this, click on the icon for dynamic data and select product categories. Okay, post term product category, and now save. Now save and go to the example. And now you can see the related products. Okay, remember, you can use this for related posts. For example, this is the product 8. This is the categories. Okay, I can delete this. Okay, and select decoration, update, and now reload this. Okay, I will unselect this. Okay, update, and now you can see that only will show the products in this category. Okay, very important that you select in the query loop that in this option. Okay, go to this option on the query loop from here, this exclude current post. Okay, is very important for the related products or related posts. Very important, exclude current post. And now save, save, and now reload here, and now you can see that the current product don't show. Now the most complicated part for this tutorial is at the end. Okay, this is the section for use the new query loop editor. Okay, query editor is very powerful. This video is long, but it will help you a lot to understand the query loops. Okay, this is the more advanced option. To enable this query editor, okay, you need to go to the options. Okay, go to the options for Bricks Builder. Okay, Bricks settings, builder access. Okay, code execution. Okay, enable for administrator. It's very important. Enable this and save settings. Okay, go to the this example. This example is for query loop on cross sells products. Okay, remember, click on the block, and this is the most important part. You can see that this is the post in cross sell, and in this case this is the current product ID. Okay, get the ID for the current post, and this is the conditional. Okay, current product ID, get the elements that have the custom field named cross sales ID and true. Okay, now this is the IDs that get products. Okay, the current product have these IDs on the meta field. Okay, and set the post in. For example, we need go to the product. Okay, go to the product. This is the product. Very important. Go to the plugins. Okay, plugins. In the plugins, install this plugin. Very important. Okay, install and enable this plugin, and now you can see the post meta, the metadata. You can see that this is the cross sell IDs. Okay, and this is the IDs for this product. This product, you can link it product. This is the cross sells. This is the product, for example, and this is okay, 3 products. Remember, this is the products, and this is the cross sales ID. 3 products, the same products from here. Okay, and now you can see that this is the same products for the product 8. Okay, este es un producto de prueba from here. This is a variable test product from here, and this is other test product. Okay, and you can add or delete. For example, I will delete this, update, reload, and now you can see that only this meta field only have 2 products in the cross cells. Okay, this is the way to make a custom query loop. We can set other parameters. For example, go to the documentation, and you can for example order by title, order by menu, order title. You can go to the documentation, for example, order by, order. You can see the documentation. In this example, for example, we can get the order by menu order. Okay, for example, copy this and go to the custom query editor, okay, paste on the options, okay, order by and order, okay, save. And now remember this order. Okay, I will add other product to see the change. Linked products. This is for example, update. Now this is the product, okay, this is the order, but I will change this and change this value, okay. Remember, go to the documentation, order, okay, these values, okay. And now save, and remember this is the tree element, and now is the first element. This is the way to use the query editor. Now, for example, this is other example. I duplicate this, and okay, block, remember, and sorry, from this block, this is the other query. I will change the background for this section, okay, and okay, this the block, remember, content, query loop, and now we will change this value, for example, to show app sales. Okay, we need to go to the product and this product and go to the app sales, okay. Okay, we don't have app sales. Go to the products, okay, linked product, and for example, I will add this, okay, and now we have 3 products. Okay, this is the same product, but it's not important. Okay, update, and now you can find this custom field, okay, app sales ID, and now you can see that have 3 elements. Okay, copy this meta field and go to the product and change this. Okay, now you can save and reload. Okay, remember, this is the linked product, product 7, 9 and 3. And remember, if you change the order, for example, order title, this, remember, from here and paste, okay, save, and now this order change, and you can change this value for 4, for example, or for 2, and now only will show 2 elements. Sorry, reload, and now you have 2 elements. Okay, this is a powerful tool for the new editor. This is the most used for products, okay, app sales and the cross sales. And I hope you like this video. It's a long video, but it's very complete, and this will help you a lot. Okay, if you like, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.